Buying your first property is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But with proper planning, research, and guidance, you can make the process simple, safe, and profitable.
Welcome to the Gem of Property Specialist, your trusted guide to making real estate simple, safe, and profitable, just like finding a gem worth your money.
In this video, we will discuss the 6 common mistakes of first-time buyer. Mistake number 1, buying without verifying the title. Always verify the property to ensure the seller is the rightful owner, and the property is free from any legal disputes. You could lose your money if the property has legal issues or belongs to someone else. Mistake number 2, ignoring hidden charges. The listing price is not the final cost. Hidden charges can significantly increase your overall expenses. Unexpected costs can strain your budget and affect your financial plans. Mistake number 3, purchasing based on emotions. Emotion can lead to impulsive decisions and regret later. Evaluate property with logic, not just how you feel. You may overpay, overlook flaws, or face financial stress later. Mistake number 4, not checking flood-prone areas. Flood-prone areas can lead to severe property damage, health risks, and huge financial losses. You may face expensive repairs, insurance issues, and even loss of property value. Be smart, be safe, always check flood maps and local flood history before you buy the property. You don't ignore today to avoid disaster tomorrow. Mistake number 5, skipping property inspection. Property inspection checklist as follows: structural cracks, leaky pipes, damp and mold, faulty electrical, uneven flooring. Never skip property inspections to save time or money. Hidden issues can turn your dream property into a costly nightmare. If you don't check everything today, you may end up paying non-stop repairs that will lead you to financial stress. Invest wisely today, live conveniently tomorrow. Mistake number 6, signing documents without understanding them. Documents are full of legal terms and conditions. Signing without understanding can lead to legal trouble, hidden liabilities, and financial loss. Upon signing, consider the following: complex legal terms, hidden clauses, unfair conditions, future liabilities, disputes, and legal issues. Read carefully before signing. Take time, seek professional advice. Protect your future. Never sign in doubt. Always remember that your future depends on what you do today.
In today's property market, finding the opportunity can feel like searching for a hidden gem. That's why this channel is dedicated to helping you discover the best properties, understand the legal process, and make smart decisions with confidence. My mission is simple: to help you make informed property decisions that bring value, security, and long-term financial growth. So whether you're buying your first home, investing in real estate, or simply exploring your options, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Gem of Property Specialist and turn on notifications for more real estate tips and investment guides.